How to fix can't connect to this network on Windows 11. Hey everyone, if you are facing this issue, let's see how you can solve it. The first thing you're going to have to do is go to your network connection. You can do that by go ahead and searching for control panel. Once you search for control panel, go to network and sharing. And then from here, you just want to go to the network connection. Now from here, you want to head over to change adapter settings and your network connections will pop up on your screen. Now right click on your Wi-Fi network, and then from here, you're going to have to go to the properties. And from here, you just need to make sure that your IPv4 is enabled. Click on IPv4 and go to its properties again. And if you have set up any manual IP address, you just want to change it to the obtain IP address automatically and change the DNS as well. So obtain DNS address automatically. Click on OK and click on close. After doing this, you could also try to right click on it and disable the internet and then enable it back again. So once you disable it, right click on it and enable it again, and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.